Okay, grade 9. We are going to talk about equations that become quadratic. The quadratic equation is not always in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In fact, there are times when we have to form an equation just to see whether it is really a quadratic equation. So we are going to transform by manipulation. But before that, a text in the Bible in 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 57 says, "But thanks be to God, He gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ." So we are going to uh, solve some examples here. Shall we start with number 1 here? So 10 over x plus 1 is equal to 3x. So in here, there is a denominator here, so we can multiply all terms by x to get rid of the denominator. So when you multiply 10x divided by x is simply 10 plus x, and then you multiply that will become equal to 3x squared. We are going to rearrange that. So as if that we are going to transpose x there, transpose 10 there, and put it at the left side, so it will become 3x squared minus x minus 10 will be equal to 0. So this is now your quadratic equation. So this is your A, B, and C. So 3x squared minus x minus 10 equals 0. So let's take the number 2 first here. So you cannot say that this is quadratic, so we are going to simplify and manipulate. So distribute that will become 7x squared minus 63 will be equal to x squared minus 3x. So we are going to rearrange them. So transpose this to the left sides. You are going to add to 7x squared, so it will be 10x squared. Excuse me, it's not, because this is your x squared. You 7x squared minus x squared will be 6x squared. Transpose this, negative 3x will become positive, so that will be plus 3x, and minus 63 will be equal to 0. So it's already a quadratic equation. 6x squared plus 3x minus 63 equals 0. You can also reduce that, but for the meantime it's alright. So let's go to number 4 here. Square root of the quantity x squared plus 5x plus 3 will be equal to 3x. So what we're going to do is to get rid of the radical sign by squaring. So you square that, and you also square this, square both sides. So as if you are just removing the radical sign, carry the radical, x squared plus 5x plus 3. And then you are going to square that, it will be 9x squared. So transposing to the left side will be 9 minus 1x is negative 8x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So make this as positive by multiplying by negative 1. So it will become 8x squared minus 5x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Okay, so that is already a quadratic equation. So lastly, 4 over x plus 4 over x plus 6 is equal to 1. You can do cross multiplication here. You multiply 4 with x plus 6, and then you add x times 4, and then you multiply the denominators together, and then you multiply it here. So, like this. So, diretso na tayo. 4x, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 4x, and then multiply the denominator, so that will become x squared plus 6x, and then we are going to multiply to the 1 here. So it will be, let's just simplify. 4x plus 4x is 8x plus 24 will be equal to x squared plus 6x. Okay, let's rearrange as if that we are going to transpose it there. So it will become x squared, pag transpose here, that will become negative 2x, because 8 minus 6, 2x, and transport that is negative 24, equate that to 0. This is now your quadratic equation. So you will notice that we have already transformed them into the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so that's the way how to transform this equation into quadratic equation.